Today I want to talk about something different, and that is Biore watches. Here I have two of them. So I kind of want to explain what I like about them, like what I like about the company itself and the employees working there. Yeah, I just basically want to tell all the general information, what I think about it, and yeah, so the very first thing, I know that Biore has been around for 3 years, right? But my problem was that I was never really interested in watches, right? One day I was just sitting on Amazon and I was like, man, having a watch would be so cool. Like every single second person I see is wearing a watch, and I was like, that would make me look a bit more professional as well. Yeah, like I decided to go on Amazon and type in watches for men. That's basically it. And one of the first things I saw was this Biore watch, this right here. Hopefully it focuses. This watch was around, when I bought it, it was like 80 or something. I kind of forgot, to be honest with you, but let me just tell you this. This looked like one of the dopest watches I saw there. All the rest were just like the typical minimalist gray or black or silver watches, right? And all of them kind of looked the same, but the Biore watch looked a little bit different, and I really loved the leather straps on this one. Yeah, that was like so cool. I was like, yeah, I have to get it. So I did it. I bought it, it arrived in a week or something, and yeah, I was totally happy about my purchase, and I was wearing this watch for 4 months, I think. Yeah, like 4 or 3 months. And I decided, like, man, actually Biore is making some pretty dope watches. Like, for example, check this out. This is the black gold Scepter watch, and man, if you look at it, ooh, it's so cool. It's like so dope. It looks like a really luxury watch, you know. Some people have told me, man, this looks like a really well, high-valued luxury watch, and I was like, well, yes, if you would only know the cost of it. And then I tell them that these watches cost 130 euros and that they're also automatic, which, by the way, you cannot find on many watches. Like, this is not an automatic watch, right? You have to change the batteries here, but this is an automatic watch. I'm sure that the people who watch this video already know it's an automatic watch, and I don't need to explain that, but that is awesome. Usually these kind of watches cost like 1 to 2,000 and above euros, and the fact that you can get an automatic watch looking so sweet, like for 130 euros, is sign me up. We actually got 3 of these watches. We got the black Scepter watch, we have the silver Scepter, and we also have the gold Scepter watch. But since my friends are wearing them right now, like, I cannot show you, but if you are following Biore's Facebook page, you have obviously seen that we made a lot of videos for Biore, especially with the black watch. The employees are so, like, they care about their clients. The most important thing for them are their clients. If you just look at the watch, right, you can see how much actually effort and love they put into their watches. Like, if you look at all the sub-dials, if you look at just the overall design of it, one thing which actually kind of blew me away is only like a month after getting these watches, I realized that it displays the date as well. I was like, what? So that was kind of mind-blowing, you know. And yeah, it's just such a simple watch, and I love it. It also comes in great packaging. Here you can see the packaging, and yeah, it just looks really sweet once you open it. Like, there are these red sides, which immediately gives me this feeling of you know, luxury. One thing I was really shocked Biore does is they customize your watches. Actually, we just received a customized watch, even though we haven't unboxed it yet because we're gonna be filming it and it's gonna be super cool. But it's cool that you can already see the design online, and you don't really have to be like, oh my god, I wonder how's it gonna look. Do I have to be worried? Do I have to, like, kinda you know, experiment in Photoshop to see what might the results look like? Nah, they are straightforward. They give you all the designs, you just make your own lettering, you know, and that's it. You get the product. You got your own custom watch with your name on it, or maybe if you want to give this watch to your lover, you can easily do that. Make a custom text by saying I love you or you're the best, and it's just gonna be like a really good present for your lover. But yeah, overall I can tell you that Biore has a lot of different watches. One of the most interesting watches, in my opinion, is their Aquaman watch. It's like so different. It's not something you really see every single day, right? And when you look at the colors, you're like, man, I don't really know how I feel about it. But when you keep looking at it, you're like, actually, I haven't really seen a lot of these kind of watches on the store. Huh, this might be interesting. They actually make a lot of different watches. For example, one of my favorites are Let's see, which ones are my favorites? I would say Pirate Black Gold Leather Watch, Arliss watch, Milanese watch, Fancy Gray Milanese. I really love that. And of course, Black Scepter Gold. Like, this watch is just, I'm definitely gonna keep buying watches from Bure, and I really cannot wait until they release more products to get my hands on them, you know? Because I really wanna. The quality is good, the customer service is superb. They answer legit immediately. Like, I just go on Facebook and be like, yo, Bure, what you doing? And just a couple of minutes later, they're gonna be answering, nothing much, just checking the emails, you know? So the conversations between us are so easy, and it feels like you're talking to a friend. I am really, really happy to be a part of Bure. And as you can see, we're cooking them up really, really cool videos, and it's just not about typical advertising. We're making videos where we show how open they are for ideas. Like, come on, name me a watch company who would be down to basically collaborate on a dance video, right? Also, cleaning video. Who the hell would think a watch company wants a cleaning video? Hopefully we'll see some dope pictures from you wearing this Bure watch. Peace.